Dekor Plus Diaper Pail Biodegradable Refills. Most by Dekor is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. You will change your baby's diaper 6,000,9,000 times in the next few years. Why not use a diaper pail designed to save you money on each one of those changes? Compared to other refill systems, Dekor Plus refills use less of the refill per diaper than any other brand, making it the most cost-effective on the market. Each Dekor refill is one long continuous liner with no preset perforations or size, which means you can empty the pail as often as you want, whether it's after one particularly stinky change, or when the pail is totally stuffed, and use only as much refill as you need. Emptying the pail is super easy. Simply cut the refill with the kid-safe cutter located inside the access door, discard, and tie a new knot in the remaining bag. Dekor refills are made of 20% recycled materials and infused with a fresh baby powder scent that helps neutralize odors. Dekor biodegradable refills break down more quickly than ordinary refills. As defined in ASTM 1991, a biodegradable plastic is defined as a degradable plastic in which the degradation results from the action of naturally occurring microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, and algae. Each box contains 2 refills and holds up to 1,160 newborn diapers. Biodegradable alternative to ordinary refills. Use with Dekor Plus hands-free diaper pail. No preset perforations or bag size. Empty as often as you want, use only as much refill as needed. New end-of-liner marking, helpful reminder before you run out. Fresh powder scent helps neutralize odors. Each box contains 2 refills and holds up to 1,160 newborn diapers.